Hello and welcome. I was asked how to make glitch effects with text, and I'm going to show you. These are the three effects that I have come up with so far, using different text filters and using different glitch settings, also combining them. To create a new text clip, go to File and then Open Other, and then here you pick Generator Color, and you just use the default Transparent. Alright, press OK, and this black screen, just drag it to the timeline. You might need to create a new video track first. I already created a second one after importing this video clip. Okay, so we can see through this clip. So while selecting this clip now, we add the filter text, or rather one of the three texts available. Text 3D, this is rather simple. You can change some parameters here. You can select some of the fonts available, and you can change the text itself over here. And also you can change the color. So that's that. All you gotta do now is slap on a glitch filter. I'm just gonna search for glitch here. Usually it's on favorite, so you have to switch to video and search manually, or type in GLI in here, in the search bar at the top. It's an automatic randomized effect. Right, so there's a glitch effect for you. You can change it by lowering the frequency, changing the block height, shift intensity can be changed. Quite crazy if you make the values too high or too low. Whoa, nice. Nice. Right, you can also keyframe these things. If you click this, we can, for example, double click here and lower it over time down and drag this to the left. The keyframe editor is quite awesome. I don't remember it being so awesome. The advanced one. I think I haven't used it that much, so that might be it. So here we have a kind of a transition from total glitch to actual readability. That's what you can get with this, with keyframes. Let's try the simple one. So you have to actually change the size and fix the position. Okay, so we have this, and now we can slap in some glitch on it. And I'll leave the details to you. Yeah, that's a bit boring, but you have more control over the font. Right, you figure out the details. I'm just going to show you real quick how to use the third text filter, because it's a bit different. So click the clip, add text, pick the HTML one, and let me pick Creative Commons Music 1 this time. Okay, here we go. So now it usually starts in what you see is what you get. Let's go to source, and I'm gonna just eliminate the this thing. There's an image. Okay, and I'm gonna delete the background because I want it to be transparent. Okay, after saving, this is what it looks like. And then you can still edit it. This whatevs by blah. Now we have this. So let's add a different filter. Distort. This is a bit shaky. I'm gonna keyframe at normal, at 0, and it'll get crazier and crazier. Okay, and now we're gonna just slap the glitch filter on top. Glitch. And make the frequency low, block height okay, shift intensity okay, and color intensity max. Let's take a look. This is intense. But hey, this is what you can play around with. So let's just take a look at these effects. We have some 3D settings here, and it's just static, non-keyframed glitch stuff going on. Here we have a little bit of distort at the end, after the glitch effect actually. So first glitch, then distort. Also not keyframed, not very exciting. And then here we have glitch being a bit too crazy and being keyframed. And let's just go to File, Export Video. Don't use Save or Save As, Export Video, unless you want to save a project for later reuse. Just use the default. Export File, and just pick Train Test. And enter, and now we have to wait. Okay, there we go, it's starting to export. So here's the file, let's just play it back. And here we have first glitch, second glitch, a bit too crazy for my taste. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. If you have any other tricks, let me know. Hope this is useful. Until then, ciao!